For number 9, you know that g of x is equal to the quantity f of x squared. Now, you also know that g double prime of x is equal to 2 times the quantity capital A squared plus capital B times f double prime of x. You want to find out what A is equal to, and you want to find out what B is equal to. Now, it helps to find the second derivative here. So g prime of x, that's a prime here, g prime of x, if we look back at this function, g of x is equal to f of x quantity squared. So we have to use the chain rule here. So the derivative is equal to 2 times f of x times the derivative of f of x, which is f prime of x. Now, in order to find the second derivative, we can factor out this 2 or leave that hanging out. And what we want to do is use the product rule now where our two functions are f of x and f prime of x. Okay, so if we fix one, we can fix f prime of x and take the derivative of this part. So you have f prime of x times f prime of x plus we have to fix the other, which is f of x, and take the derivative of the other, so that's f double prime of x. Okay? So that's equal to, if we simplify, 2 times the quantity f prime of x, it's a prime, f prime of x squared plus f of x times f double prime of x. And if we look back up at g prime of x, g double prime of x here, well, it's in the same form. So this means A has to be f prime of x and B has to be f of x. Okay, so A must be f prime of x and B equals f of x.